Okay, so here's the Sony A6000 camera. Let's see how to shoot videos in different creative styles, that is in different colors. Currently is set to P mode, and let's power it on. Okay, the settings that I will talk about are available for ASMM also. So those settings are available here in the menu. Press the menu button, come here to the first icon and go to the fourth page and come down here to creative style. Enter creative style, currently set to standard. Enter, and here we have standard, vivid, neutral, clear, deep, light, portrait, landscape, sunset, night, autumn, black and white, and whatever. At the end they are repeating, I think. Okay, so let's shoot a video, let's say in vivid color. I have a red below there. So first of all, you have to set that color mode and then start the video. You cannot modify the colors while the video is being captured. So I already set it, I press the record button, and now we have a red below video. Okay, and stop the video from the same button. Go back to the menu, creative style, and here at the end we have a black and white, so the pillow is not red, as you can see, it is black and white. Accept that one, start a video. Now we have a black below video instead of red. Okay, so I just stopped the video. Now these settings are kept. If you power off the camera and power it on again, then you will still have a modified color. Instead of a red pillow, you will have a black pillow in this case. So this one is kept. Okay, now if we get out from P mode and go into this green automatic mode, there you cannot use the menu. It's grayed out, you cannot modify almost anything there, but instead you have to use the down arrow. Press that one, and here we have the third one, which is related to color, and the fourth one, which is related to vividness. Okay, color is moving this thing up and down if you rotate it. Now it's more warmer, I mean it's yellower with another word. Now it's cooler, or with another word it's bluer. Okay, so that's the warmth. And if I go to the next one, vividness, that is modifying the saturation. Now the pillow is more red, now it's less red, it's closer to black and white. Okay, and using those settings we can press the record button and it's capturing the video in those settings. Okay, but if I power off this camera and power it back on, these settings at the automatic will not be kept. Everything is back to the default settings. So if I press the down arrow, vividness is back to the center. Color is also back to the center. It was modified somewhere, I think there, and it got back there in the center in the neutral zone. Okay, so those are the color profiles on this Sony A6000 camera. Black below, red below. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.